The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1064 filter into the frame with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box.